So this is the front door, one of the front doors, and you can see how beautiful. This is etched glass. So a lot of work was put into this, very unique. But on this one, a tenant who was not happy when they moved out decided to smash it, along with this whole area here, which was like this. You can see it was very unique, but now we have to fix them. So that's something to consider if you're ever going to do any renting in a beautiful Victorian. Probably not a good idea unless you can really make sure you have good tenants. So here we are. We need to, you'd think we could remove this molding and remove the whole piece, but although that may be possible, I've already done some prying on it, and it appears as if it'll be very difficult, and most likely I will be smashing a bunch of stuff. So I'm now going to take the duct tape off both sides, and I'm going to consider repairing it where it is, which will include some stained glass work, some copper foil probably, if this is what I'm going to do, along with some soldering. So that's where we're at right now. I'm going to remove the duct tape and scrape it all off, because I hate to lose all this design. I hate to just smash the whole thing. And plus, it really wouldn't get me any further ahead if I can't get this whole molding out, which might be possible, but the damage that might be done is more than I'm willing to do right now or at any point. So let's start scraping and clean it up.